Hello friends, my name is Dr. Lokesh Desai and we are going to discuss in this video is data entry in SPSS from a survey questionnaire. So let us start it. So to understand this one, I prepared one questionnaire. This is a survey questionnaire in which certain questions are there. First is basic information about respondent like respondent number, name, address, mobile number. And now the question number one is what is your gender? Options are male, female, others. Question number two is in which age group you belong to? Less than 20 years, 20 to 30 years, 30 to 40 years, more than 40 years. Question number three is what is your mode of occupation? Government employee, private employee, on business or others. Now question number fourth is give your rating from 1 to 5. 1 is highly dissatisfied and 5 is highly satisfied for the following features in a departmental store. The features are A. Quality of the product is good. B. Products are available in appropriate quantity. C. Promotional schemes are effective. And D. Staff is humble and supportive. Question number 5 is how much distance you covered to reach in this departmental store, and the options are in kilometer. So we open SPSS sheet and then we make a data entry. This is SPSS blank sheet, and once you open this one you are having two views. One is on the left hand side data view and second is variable view. Friends, in the data entry in SPSS we have to start with the variable view. An important point is in the questionnaire every question represents a one variable. So question number one is what is your gender? It means I am asking a gender as a variable. Question number two is what is your age group? So it means I am asking about age group in this particular questionnaire. So let us start a data entry in SPSS. So we have to start with the variable view, and in the variable view the first you have to type the name of the variable. So name of the variable is gender, so type gender. Important point is it does not accept the space. So if you type here with making a space gender of customer, then it shows the illegal character. So you have to type only the one word here is or alphanumeric with underscore. So you have to type gender and then make a enter. So if you make a enter or make your cursor down, you can find some default information available on the screen which we have to change one by one. So first information is type of the variable. So the software is asking whether this variable you want to remain for a numeric in nature or you want to change this one. So if you click on this, you will be having a different type of the variables like numeric, comma, dot, scientific notation, date, dollar, customer currency, string. So friends, if your variable is non-numeric in nature, it means qualitative in nature, then you have to change from numeric to string. So I change it from numeric to string and then press OK. Now second is width of this alignment is 8, no decimal is required, and label. If you want to explain this variable, then just use this label. So I want to explain this that I am asking gender of the customer. So I type here gender of the customer, and in this option it accepts the space. Now second is values. Very important option is values. Friends, if your variable is categorical in nature or nominal in nature, it means certain options are given in your questionnaire, then you should use this option. So for the gender, we assigned value 1 for label male, value 2 for label female. So I assign value 1 is for male, then press add. Value 2 we assigned for female respondent, add, and value 3 if any other category is there, then we assign value 3 and add and then press OK. Now rest of the options, missing value, no missing value is there, column is 8th, alignment is left, measurement is nominal, role is input. So in this way we entered a first variable in this way, and the second variable is in which age group you belong to. So the variable is age. Again, in my questionnaire, it is different categories I use for that, less than 20 years, 20 to 30 years. So again, I change it into the string variable from numeric to string. I change like this. And explanation is age of the customer, and again four values are there. So value 1 I assigned less than 20 years, value 2 I assigned 20 to 30 years, value 3 I assigned 30 to 40 years, and the fourth is more than 40 years, more than 40 years, and add this one, press OK. So now in this way we enter the second variable. The third variable is what is your mode of occupation. So occupation is third variable. Again it is non-numeric, so I change it from numeric to string. Explanation of this variable is occupation type for customers, and we assign the value. One is for government employees, two is for private employees, and three is on business, and fourth is others category. Press add, and at last once you add all the values, press OK at last. So in this way we entered the three variables with respect to the first three questions. Now important point is question number 4 is having four different items. It means every item of a question number 4 that represents a one particular variable. So in my SPSS sheet, the fourth variable is of a question number 4, that is quality. Fifth variable is quantity. Sixth variable is promotional schemes, and seventh variable is staff. So in this way we entered one by one. So variable number 4 is quality, quality of product. So I use the word quality here. Now because we have used this rating scale, and rating scale is considered as a numeric variable, so we just keep remains this option numeric only, and we assign the label that satisfaction towards quality of product. And because it is rating variable numeric in nature, so we are not assigned the values like 1 is this, 2 is this, so we just keep remain as such only. We do not change any kind of the things. And measurement is, we click on this, it is scale. So scale is considered as a rating variable or quantitative variable, so we change it from nominal to scale here. Now variable number, next variable number is products are available in appropriate quality, appropriate quantity. So my this variable is quantity, quantity of products. Again it is rating scale, so keep remain as such numeric, and here you can type satisfaction for quantity of the products. Do not assign the values. The next variable is promotional schemes are effective, so my variable is promotional schemes. So I type promotional underscore schemes because it does not take a space. Again it is numeric in nature, so we are not change this one. Next variable is staff is humble and effective, so my variable is staff. Again it is numeric in nature. Now we assign the label also, effectiveness of promotional schemes. This is explanation of this variable. And the next one is staff effectiveness. This is next explanation of variable. Now in these four variables we are not required any decimal in our questionnaire or in our survey, so I make it 0 because I do not use this one. Now my next question is how much distance you covered to reach in this departmental store. So here it is my question number 5. But if you take a notice in SPSS variable view, it is variable number 8. So my variable number 8 is distance covered. My type here is distance covered. Again, it is numeric in nature, so we do not change this one. And we assign the decimal here because somebody can say that I have come from 3.5 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer. So I ask the software to use the decimal in that case, and explanation is distance covered by customers. So in this way, whatsoever the variables or the questions in my questionnaire, I entered all these variables one by one in the variable view. So once you entered all the variables in the variable view, click on data view, and now you can find that all the variables, these are organized in the horizontal way as in the first row. So now friends, in this what we have to do, you have to assign only the numbers or the responses in this data sheet. Now suppose if the first respondent is male, so just assign the value 1 for gender. If his age group is 2, assign the value 2. If mode of occupation is 1, assign the value 1. And if he gives the rating for first is 2, for B is 3, for C is 4, for D is 2. So just assign the numbers accordingly. So just like this, the first respondent is male, so assign 1. Age group belongs to, assign 2. Occupation is 1, government employee. Now his rating for quality of the products such as 4, quantity of the products is 2, promotional schemes is 3, staff politeness is suppose 5, and he distance covered 2.5 kilometer. So just type 2.5. So in this way we have to type only the numbers in this particular data sheet. Now say for example the second respondent is 2, age group is 3, occupation is 2, he has given the rating for quality is 2, quantity for 3, promotional schemes 4, staff politeness is 4, and the distance covered is 1.5, like this. So similarly, you have to make data entry for all the responses as per your survey. So once you complete this one, you can go for file and you can save this as an appropriate directory on your laptop or on your system. So I just save on the desktop with my survey data, and you save this one. So in this way friends, you can save this one. Once you save this, a blank sheet appears as you can see on the screen. So do not afraid, this blank sheet is all about used for the output viewer. So you just cross this one and cross this also. Do you want to proceed? I say yes. And now see, this is available on my desktop. Survey data is available on my desktop. So this is survey data. So if I click on this, the same sheet you can find on your system. Just take a few seconds. It takes few seconds. You can find this one. So this is your variable view in which we entered all the variables, and this is your data view which we entered. So in the data view 1, 2, 3, 4, that represents your respondent, and in the variable view these 1, 2, 3, 4, that represents your variable. Okay friends, so thank you so much for watching this video, and the same video in this series, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.